Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the microphone and permissions. This is crucial. Open game audio settings and pick your physical device, not a disabled virtual input. Then, go to your operating system privacy panel and make sure the game has microphone access. Without that, nothing will work. Once done, restart the game and your headset to clear locked resources, and then run a quick OS sound recorder test to verify input is live. This isolates hardware from in-game configuration. Now adjust in-game voice chat settings. Choose push-to-talk if background noise is an issue, or open mic with a sensible input sensitivity threshold to avoid constant triggers. Next, check the OS sound device properties. Disable exclusive mode and align sample rates between headset and game because mismatches cause dropouts. Once configured, update or reinstall your audio drivers and ensure the game is on the latest patch. These fixes address driver mismatches and game-side bugs. Finish by testing voice in a private lobby so you don't disrupt others while verifying success. If audio still fails, switch networks. Use wired instead of Wi-Fi to rule out NAT traversal or latency problems that block voice packets. Changing ports or enabling UPnP on your router often helps. Finally, if nothing works, reset the game's voice settings to defaults and reconfigure step by step. This clears hidden conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, record the exact error and try another headset to separate hardware from software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.